In today's video, I will guide you through building your own React badge component and using it effectively with Figma plugin that streamlines development. Badges are small elements used to display a count or label an element, distinct from pill or tag components. They are more prominent and they complement the primary action of a component, like an icon button showing a count. Let's start by copying the sample code from the npm page. By default, badge is positioned absolutely, which means it might not be visible at first. Badges are usually nested inside other components, so I will wrap the badge in the div container to demonstrate its positioning. Under the hood, the badge component is simple, built with span element that displays a label from the label property in React component. We can also add a forward ref for our component to access all DOM properties of the span element. Additionally, adding props allows us to directly add aria labels, supporting screen readers and enhancing accessibility. Moving to Figma, let's see how to use the badge. In the playground page, the badge component is used within Button and IconButton component. We can easily change the text from the properties panel on the right side. Now let's use the badge in the design process. I will quickly group a heading into a flex container, renaming the Figma layer to flex for mapping design to React code later. We will position our badge absolutely in relation to the flex element. Let's open the Blocks in System plugin. We can select the frame with our design and click the Generate button. Now we can copy and paste the code directly into our code sandbox. One small fix, I will just define the width to fit the content of the heading. For another example, I will select a frame with two buttons inside and paste the React code above. The design system is not just a component library, but also a system and tooling that bridges the gap between design and development. For more information, visit system.blockchain.com, and I will see you in the next episode.